In this video, I will show you how to enable Steam offline mode. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To enable offline mode, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the game you want to play offline is up to date. So if you come and click onto your games library at the top, and what you want to do is click onto a game that you're looking to play offline. Let's take this one for example. And if it just says play, so it's got a green play button and it doesn't say update or anything, then you know you are good to go. Now to actually enable offline mode to play offline so you don't get interrupted by friends or things like that, all you need to do is come up to the top left hand corner of Steam, click onto the Steam logo up here, and you're going to see an option to go offline. Give it a click and that's going to enable offline mode. So you can see it now says that Steam is currently in offline mode, and in offline mode many features of your Steam library such as your activity and friends will be unavailable. Of course you do need to be online to view that content. You can also see at the bottom it says offline mode, so we know that offline mode is now enabled in Steam, and as long as the game you're trying to play does have offline compatibility, you can click onto play and then of course start playing that game offline. So that is how to enable Steam offline mode. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.